Welcome to Getting Started with JavaScript. My name is Utsav Nayak. Welcome to our YouTube channel Kuchu Engineer. Our channel is coming with one unique idea. Our channels each video coming with one motivational message for the society. Like this. The first step of our life is always hardest, but never give up in the life. Nowadays, learning JavaScript is more popular and most important. You can go to the big sites like YouTube and Facebook without having JavaScript. Then we got notification from Facebook. No, you can't do it. We need JavaScript. So the thing is, you just think about the power of JavaScript. Without JavaScript, Facebook or YouTube is not working at all. The cool thing about JavaScript is you can go further. Server-side application with Node, mobile type application with React or React Native, Angular is for Ionic, Native Script, and web development. Top of that, we can even have Electron now to build desktop application and so on. You can build anything you want. This is the beauty of JavaScript. By using the JavaScript, you can build anything you want. This is the beauty of JavaScript. The structure. HTML gives a structure to our website. CSS is style for our HTML. JavaScript brings an interaction for our websites. Who is this for? This is for anybody who knows the HTML, CSS, and they want to get into the next step of web development, which is JavaScript. JavaScript is the entry point of all web developers. JavaScript is the gate of giant world web development. This is for whom those are directly implementing jQuery without learning JavaScript basics. For some of you, learn HTML and CSS but don't know the JavaScript yet. This is going to be a perfect playlist for you. For those who have gone through the JavaScript, Angular or React Native or any type of those library without learning the core language first, this is definitely going to help you a lot. If you know the core language, you are being a better developer. The official name of JavaScript is ECMAScript. New versions are released the year by year from 1997 to 2020, like ES 2015, ES 2016, ES 2017 up to ES 2020. ES 2015 is called as the ES6. This is the kind of big upgrade in JavaScript. So most of all the browsers are supported the latest scripting language standard ES6. As you can see in this table, many versions are coming with new releases and new updates. First version is coming in 1997. The name was ES1, and the big upgrade in JavaScript is ES6 is coming in 2015. So this is a big upgrade in JavaScript ES6. Nowadays all the browsers are updated with ES6. Roadmap. Learn the tools. We gonna learn tools, basic of JavaScript. Then we gonna learn JavaScript. Build real things. We always want to do real things. Tools. In this playlist, we are using VS Code, Sublime, Brackets, Atoms, and many more tools are available on the internet. But at the most, we are using VS Code or Sublime. So let's get started with building real life stuff in our upcoming videos. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Kuchu Engineer. Thank you.